Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add email pop-ups on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So basically guys, right now, in order to add email pop-ups, go ahead and click on add apps. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. Once here, just go to the bottom. You're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store, and then you're going to be redirected to the App Store right here. So once here, just go to the top, click on the search bar and search for email pop-up like this. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of these results for your search. So go ahead and choose an app from here. So I'm going to choose this one, pop-up email and window. So give it a click and then you're going to be here in the applications page. Once here in the page, just go ahead and click on install right here. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So click on install again. And then once you do that, just wait for the page to load. And then the application will be added to your navigation. So once here, click on next, 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 and then click on let's go. And then you can pick a template from here. Click on create a campaign. So just follow the steps and then you're going to be able to set up your mail pop-ups. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.